Oh.
Let's play with Daddy's face again.
Please don't throw up in my face. Hi.
Daddy worked hard all day on the house, and Aiden's beating him up and spitting in his face.
Oh. Ow. Ow. Ow.
Not only Daddy's face, not mine.
I'm coming after you.
He wants his water, see? Oh, sit up. Here's your water. Here's your water. So thank you, Mommy.
Hi. Oh. That hurts quite a bit.
Oh my god. It's January 27th, 2013, by the way.
Ow. Ow.
Oh my god. I'm still out of your reach.
Ow.
Oh
Oh. Hopefully you don't grow up to 11. Ow.
We should stop him because this is bad. But it's so funny. He was only grabbing his nose and stuff before. This is too bad.
Are you justifying this on the videotape?
Yes. Well, it wasn't this bad before. Here, you want your water? Here's your water. Oh, you poor thing. Oh my gosh, deprived of water.
Oh.
Oh my gosh! Aiden, that's bad. We need to
No,
stop
you
this
can't
now.
smack, okay? No smacking. No smacking. Whoa.
Okay. Bye-bye. Ta-ta for now.